Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to activate your card for Credit Karma. To activate your Credit Karma card, the following step will help you, so make sure you stick around till the end of the video. First of all, the first thing to do is to visit the official Credit Karma activation page. Open up a web browser and then type in creditkarma.com/activate. Doing this will take you to this page from where you can directly activate your card. Click the Activate Card button and enter your email address and password to log into your Credit Karma account. Click on Login once you are done. And if prompted, enter the 4 digits of your card, which will be located on the back of your card. Now set up a 4-digit PIN that you'll use for the ATM withdrawals and purchases. Confirm your PIN and follow through the instructions, and you will be able to activate your new card for Credit Karma. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.